Here we are looking at a stopcock valve, which is perhaps a better representation of the transistor. We have the collector, which is connected to the mains water supply, collecting the water or the electrical current. We have the emitter emitting the water or the electrical current. And then we have the base, which in the case of this valve is operated by hand, but in the case of a transistor would be operated by a small electrical current flowing in through the base connection. Currently the transistor is in cut-off region. The transistor is completely off, no voltage on the base, no current flowing from the collector to the emitter. When we apply voltage to the base, approaching 0.7 of a volt, the transistor starts to turn on. A small current flows into the base and out through the emitter. A much larger current then flows in through the collector and out through the emitter. So the current flowing out here is the collector current plus the base current. And so we could connect this connection here to a microphone where a small change in somebody's voice would cause a small change in voltage here, which would then cause a large change in current through the collector. So we could put a microphone on here, a loudspeaker in this circuit, and we would amplify somebody's voice by the control of the current flowing through the transistor. When a transistor is used as an audio amplifier like this, and a small change in base current here causes a large change in collector current, it's known as the linear region. If we keep turning the transistor on by applying more and more voltage here, eventually we get to a point where the transistor is fully on. This is known as saturation. If we keep applying more and more base current, it no longer increases the collector current, and that is the point of saturation. We could also fix a movement detector here, or even a light sensor for purposes of a security light. So when it detected that it got dark, if it was a light detector, or if it detected movement, it would turn the transistor on, and if we put a light bulb in this circuit, our security light would come on until the movement had passed. The transistor would then turn off again and turn the light out.